All right, guys. So I'm here on my Sunday stock watch list. My apologies for not putting one out last week. Market's been very, very volatile, and it's going to be really, really weak considering the FOMC meeting is this Wednesday. So this is a humongous week. So please pay attention to what's going to happen this week. People are calling the tops, calling for a huge correction. And it may not happen, but if the FOMC decides to taper bond purchases or hints at it in any way, the market will get really, really ugly. So I'm really looking at this price here in the QQQ, which is the tech sector, at 372.50. Below this, there's a nice gap down to 370. So this could be a great put opportunity, falling $2.50 in puts if you play that trade. So watch out for this pullback because below this breakdown won't just be the QQQ, it'll be all of the tech sector. So keep that on watch. And some call side opportunities that I'm looking at here as I'm looking at Nike. After they increased their revenue projections from last quarter, they gapped up from 134 all the way to 152, 155 actually in one day. After their earnings report. And now they had some continuing running all the way up to 174. And now I'm looking at this 155 support line. This is a huge support line. I think if this bounces and turns around, the web traffic views are up 7%. Their sales are incredible. They have the consumer spending is up on the report that we had last Thursday. So it shows that people are still spending money. The web traffic views are up, which shows me more sales. And Nike is right about where it was when it first started out from last quarter. So this could be a great reversal play. So keep this one in mind and keep this definitely on watch because above this starts reversing and getting above this 158. This could see above 160 and then potentially, 170s, maybe even all-time highs after the report. So definitely keep this one on watch this week. And I'm also looking at FedEx. They have earnings this week and they are also a beat up stock from hell, actually, from 319 all the way to 255. So similar story here on Nike. They have earnings this week. I think it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday or Wednesday. They have a great support line. It says 245, so it's $10 higher than the support line that I'm looking at here. But I don't see this getting much lower. I think this 255 might be some of its bottom, maybe even 250. But just watch this for the reversal and for their earnings play because the implied volatility percentage is low there, and I'm expecting them to say that they're going to increase sales or increase more money, increase more revenue, especially with the holidays right around the corner. There'll be more deliveries, more online shopping. With COVID and everything, online shopping stocks are going to explode. So FedEx is being one of those delivery companies. I think this one really starts to turn around. So I'm going to big week, not taking a lot of positions. I'm mostly cash. I've been for the last 2 weeks. It's been really rocky out there, been a really tough trading environment, but keep in mind FedEx and Nike for two stocks for a potential reversal, especially with their earnings plays and some future projections looking good as well. September is a very rocky month. Historically, it's one of the worst trading months. So if you can make out of this one and there's no bond tapering, I bet you we run all the way up to November into the holiday sales. So big opportunity this week. Pay attention to Wednesday's data and pay attention to these stocks on the watch list because I'm pretty confident in these. So let's make some money. We'll follow up next week.